Plant tissues. Tissues are groups of similar cells, having the same origin and performing a specific function. Based on the capacity to divide, the plant tissues have been classified into the following two types. Meristematic tissue. Permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue. This type of tissue is composed of a group of similar cells. These cells divide to form new cells and help in increasing the length and girth of the plant. The main characteristics of this tissue are: the cells are small and thin-walled. The cells are closely packed without intercellular spaces. The cells may be rounded, oval or polygonal. Vacuoles are absent or very small. The cells keep on dividing and produce new cells. New cells, thus produced, are converted into mature permanent cells. The meristematic cells are parent cells from which all other types of cells are formed. Permanent tissue. The permanent tissues are composed of differentiated cells which have lost their capability to divide. They have a definite shape, size, thickness and function. The permanent cells may be dead or living. That's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to Educational Era.